check this out. Like,
Motions.
man, like, this thing didn't want to work. Talking about sending it back. Get out of here. Daddy had it fixed. Yeah, it's a wrench, bud. We don't need them no more. We don't need them.
Check it out! Ah! Boy, fixed it. He fixed that. That electrical one fixed this right here. You dig? Gotta do it. Hey, and fix the daggone gas one. And that's something new. I only went to vocational school for electrical technology, you know what I'm saying? But hey, check that out. Yo, love you, Pop Up. Hey. Woo! Let's go! Yeah! You see that? See that? That's something to pass on to the youth in the upcoming right there. Just spread the wealth. I'm telling you, it's that easy. Love yourself, love others. You understand? Hey, come over here, check this out, alright? Yo, it's a snake in my backyard. You see that? You see that? Yo.
Don't mistake us for a mile. It's
no joke, but hey, snake in your backyard. Something to think about. Watch out what's in your backyard though. Alright, bless up.
She said,
all I know is we have a snake in our backyard. Do you see that?
I'm just being calm.
Yo, what is up? Hey, y'all might have mad animals, y'all. I just had a turtle. Daggone had a gecko. What have you? About to have me a daggone snake in the daggone backyard. Oh my gosh. Yo. Hey. I gotta find that real estate. I was just shedding, but. Woo!
Don't stand alone, stand with me. I live from this standpoint, as always believe. I did, positivity is moving. In positive emotions are soft.
Thank you. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Got you.
And so standing now,
Trees.
what to do now? Emotions carry me, they don't support me. They could bring one down.
Push you high into the trees? Alright, well I'll pull you.
Low.
Here you go.
Rise
there we go.
Rise to what is bright. Rise and shine, let's call it. I called it. So guess what? I'm going to keep on, so you keep on.
Alright, hold on, let me get Dominic real quick.
And see better days, so we both sleep better. Respect from the get-go. Hold true to the Lord, ones that refrain to lie. He said, she said, who am I kidding? They're the enemy, they're not a friend. No, I lie mine, I'm just being kind. Why go through the motions? With so much
look at you,
emotion,
so chill,
I don't
Dominic.
cry. I'm alive and not on in the lies, just swimming, floating, so lies, open high sky. Why go through the motions with so much emotion still? I don't cry. I'm alive, not drowning in the lies.
Hello,
just
dude.
swimming, flowing, so on the flies. And
you was just trying to get down.
Respect from the get-go.
You want more? You want to get back on there?
True to the Lord, ones that refrain
Alright, go ahead, get back on there.
He said, she said,
oh, the kid, go. Get y'all to go. Get y'all to go. Okay, kick again. Kick again. Kick again.
No, I don't cry. I'm alive, not drowning in the lies. Just swimming, flowing, so on the flies in the open high sky.
Kick. Yeah. There you go. Kick.
Motion.
All right. Yes. What's up?
Motion.
Whoa. All right, go ahead, jump and do it again. Forward roll, let me see. And forward roll, go. Yay! Go ahead, jump forward roll again, let me see. Whoa.
Respect from the get-go.
Alright,
you true to the Lord, ones that refrain to lie. He said, she said, who am I kidding? They're the enemy, they're not a friend. No ally of mine, I'm just being kind. Why go through the motion with so much emotion? Still I don't cry.